From space, Earth is a blue miracle floating in the silent darkness. When we open our eyes, the beautiful ocean and majestic forests unfold before us. Climate change, pollution, and deforestation are transforming our home. Beyond planting trees and cleaning beaches to promote environmental protection, Rotary has a higher mission: peace. Peace is humanity's deepest desire and most beautiful vision. Rotary's actions in the 7 areas of focus are dedicated to striving for peace for all. Rotary International promotes a series of actions worldwide to foster peace through education and literacy. Rotary takes action from multiple perspectives to promote global peace, hoping to eliminate the threats of war and ethnic conflicts. End polio is one of Rotary's greatest contributions to global public health. As of 2023, only 12 cases remain worldwide, with the goal of completely eliminating the poliovirus by 2026. Rotary members in Taiwan actively engage in various service initiatives that foster peace and social development. Over the years, Rotary District 3521 has implemented numerous community service projects through GGF. For example, the Mulan Project by Bayan Rotary Club focuses on community development, empowering disadvantaged groups to achieve self-sufficiency. Other Rotary clubs have also launched activities that promote ethnic integration and enhance community development. Children and Youth Services is a key focus of District 3521, including companionship and support for orphanages, assisting the growth of disadvantaged children, and various activities under the Rotary Youth Exchange (RY) program, allowing young people from different countries to interact and connect. Additionally, Rotary supports Indigenous education, promotes ethnic integration, and enhances basic education, ensuring that all children receive the most suitable educational resources. Through these efforts, Rotary services address social needs and plant the seeds of peace from an early age. Let us work together to promote a future of peace. Every action can change the world, and every voice deserves to be heard. Thank you for your participation. Let's continue striving to contribute to global peace.